Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a stock that is about to explode within the next few days and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's pre-market analysis video right after the intro. All right, y'all. Once again, as you're coming in, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's get started. So today was a pretty good day. It was a solid day. Right after the morning video, there was a massive surge. Again, congratulations to all of the longs who were bullish on the market. It didn't quite go as high as I wanted it to go. I wanted it to go to like 40, 80, maybe even higher than that, but it immediately got crushed and it sold off during the afternoon. All right, it's very unfortunate, and as of like right now, the market is kind of struggling. It's trying to go higher, right? Buyers are buying these dips, right? They're buying every single dip as they can, trying to push the market higher, trying to squeeze short sellers. And honestly, I personally want this thing to go sideways just a bit and then collapse for a few before continuing higher. That's what I want. All right. Now for the stock of this video, the stock that all of you should be keeping in your watch list is GMBL. All right. And GMBL, the reason why I want to share this one with all of you, number one, it had a pretty solid day today, all right, and it held its gains, that $17 mark. Number two, if you go all the way out here to the daily time frame, as you can see, there's a very bullish, very bullish pattern over here, which actually broke out today. All right, so this one is pretty straightforward. Keep it on your watch list for a move all the way at least $20 within the next few days. At most, breaking previous highs and potentially maybe even going even higher than that. All right, let's see how the stock have been doing for a while. So far, I mean, the stock still has some more room to go. This is the monthly chart. This is us looking way back. All right, so I think the party actually kind of just started, and I don't think it's done yet. I think it will go higher. So keep that one in your watches for a potential move all the way up here. All right, very straightforward. Now, the other stock that I think is about to have a phenomenal day within the next few days is none other than Roku. And for all of y'all who watched this morning's pre-market analysis video and took advantage of the opportunity on this one, congratulations. Personally, I think it can go a lot higher. Again, we're not even close to 400 yet. Today, the options went crazy. And honestly, I think it will continue on tomorrow too. I think this one will actually keep running. I am still holding some calls on it, so definitely keep this one on your watch list for a continuation until we get in here. At least 400. I think you can make it. Maybe at least $380. That would be decent. All right. So keep this one on your watch list. Not bearish on Roku at all. Just a brief update on it since it's doing so well. Unfortunately, the other stock did not do so well. RIOT. Let's talk about that one really quick. So RIOT pulled back and Roku went up. RIOT pulled back right now. This is quite unfortunate, but it's actually kind of surprising too, because if you look at the crypto market, altcoins are actually pumping. By the way, altcoins are actually running, and BTC is actually slowing down. So in a way, I'm not surprised that this one didn't go up, but unfortunately, I was expecting it to go up because money was flowing into the altcoins. But we'll see. We'll see how this one behaves later. I'm not doubting this one. I'm not gonna like tell all of you, hey, short this stock. No, I don't think so. I think it still has more room. It's just been a lot slower. So when the money stops flowing into altcoins, then the money might flow back into BTC, and then we may see this thing run higher towards the $70. All right, so this one I'm being very watchful, very patient on this thing. All right, so keep that one in your watches as well for a continuation up. It's just being slow. It's just being slow. The next one. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest, of course, right? We gotta talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The very first one that we're gonna cover is PLBY, PLBY, Playboy Group Incorporation. I think that's their name. Yeah, it is their name. So somebody asked about this, and so far it's going quite parabolic. I wouldn't tell you guys to chase this thing. I would tell you guys to just watch it, Eventually, our time will come, right, where we will get in at the top and then short it all the way back down. So do not chase this. If you're a beginner, and you don't understand what I'm saying, we want to make money on this thing as it drops. All right, we want to make money on this thing as it drops. You want to cash the top and buy puts right at the top. The stock has options on there. Yes, it does. So you want to buy puts and short it. That's the whole point of it. So if you're long in this, all right, I think it can go higher. I think it can go to $37, maybe even $40 before this thing starts to slowly roll over, and then I will like short it down. All right, but again, don't be greedy either. Don't be too greedy on the stock. So that's my very honest opinion of it. I like the fact that it's going parabolic, and I just cannot wait for it to get tired up there so I can get in. The next one that we're going to be talking about in this video, somebody asked about BTAY, and BTAY apparently is BioXcel Therapeutics, a biotech stock. Biotech stocks very risky, especially when their products doesn't get like some type of like FDA approval or FDA clearance. And right now, the way the stock is going, it's collapsing. All right, but it is at a previous level of support. So what I can tell you is, short sellers, be careful and don't get too greedy at this level. This is where you want to take some, cover some shares that you're shorting, or sell some of your puts if you're shorting this with puts. Does it have options? Yes, it does. So yeah, you know what I mean. Could it bounce at this level? We will see. It's not a guarantee. It's really not a guarantee. If you're a long-term investor and have inside information on this stock that I don't know about, and you have high conviction on this thing, I would just tell you to be very patient with it, because you want to wait to see the dust just settle. All right, you want to see consolidation, and right now, just short sellers look like they're in charge. And if that level breaks, if it goes below $35, then what's stopping the stock from going all the way down to like $25? See, so be very patient, and also be very, be patient with the stock. Be patient with the stock. That's really all I can say about it. The next one that we're going to be covering in this video, that stock is PTON, Peloton. And Peloton, again, as y'all see, my drawings are all up on the chart. It's been very annoying for people who bought calls, right? I made a previous video a long time ago. I think it was at like over here at 112, and then another one over here at 110, and it's struggling to get up here to 130. Is it going to get there? I honestly think it will get there. I do think it will get there. I just think it's kind of annoying that it's taking a sweet time on the way up there. We want to see some volume. We want to see massive price movement on this thing. And so far, it's just really boring. And I'm not liking it too much. All right. But it's going to get there. I really think it's going to get there. It's a reputable company. It's a growth stock. And the only people who are really happy to see this thing are long-term investors, of course. And people who sold iron condors in here. Right, and all they do is just collect their money, collect their credit at the end of the expiration, when everything pretty much expires. So these are the only individuals who are happy to see this thing go sideways like that. Very annoying. The last stock that we're going to address in this video, that stock is CCIV. And somebody said that volume is coming up in CCIV, and it might be ready to make a move higher. It looks like it does. This level of support at $20 held. All right, and again, long-term investors, this is all you, right? I'm not participating in this because it's just too boring right now. If something obvious later shows up, then yeah, I might take a trade on it. But this right here, long-term investors accumulate here, accumulate here, accumulate here. And then again, that's if you have high convictions on the stock and you believe that it's gonna go back up to like 70 bucks within the next few months to years. All right, and that is my very honest opinion about the stock. And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. And also, if you are new, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon, and the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at PLBY and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below, step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to 1,850 bucks after you sign up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is PLBY with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. All right, once again, congratulations to anybody who made money on Roku, and enjoy the outro.